Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make rice in cooker updated. Start by measuring rice and rinsing it thoroughly, then add water using the right ratio for your rice type. Choose the appropriate setting on your cooker and resist opening the lid while it cooks. After the cooker finishes, let the rice rest untouched for about 10 minutes to finish steaming. Fluff gently with a fork before serving to keep grains separate and light. Measure rice and water precisely for consistent results, using common ratios as a starting point. For white rice, try 1:1, 25 cups water, and for brown rice, lean toward 1:1, 5 cups. If your cooker runs hot or cool, tweak by a tablespoon at a time until you hit your preferred texture. Always rinse sticky rice well and allow a short resting period to perfect firmness and separation before serving. If your rice turns out too mushy, switch to slightly less water next time, and if it is undercooked, add a few tablespoons of boiling water and let it steam. Flavor rice by substituting part of the water with broth or adding a pinch of salt and oil. Keep your cooker clean, especially the gasket and steam vent, to avoid flare-ups and inconsistent cooking. Small tweaks yield consistently better rice.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.